start very quickly. Within 1 hour of heavy rain beginning, there are waterfalls everywhere. Then within a couple of hours of the rain stopping, more than 90% of them cease to flow.
Stirling Falls?
Fiordland is a relatively damp part of the world, averaging on 7 metres or around 22 feet of rain in a year. Quite obviously, it does not rain every day. Far from it, in fact. Just when it does, at times it really doesn't mess around. The record here in Milford for 24 hours of rainfall is 22 inches, or about 550